and it would be helpful if I actually had them on the right way. Hey guys, this is JoeTech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to be checking out the Leight Impact Pro earmuffs for the shooting range. Now, these are electronic. They are NRR 30 dB rated and are incredible. I am giving this the JoeTechTips Instant Awesome rating, and I'm not sure why my right eye is twitching. Now, these are not as thin, they're not slim, so they're a little bit bigger. They may get in the way if you're shooting rifle. They may get in the way and hit the stock when you're shooting. However, if you're shooting a pistol, these are perfect, especially when you're in close quarters. They are absolutely gorgeous, and they fit on your ear like so, and then you don't hear anything. So they can work as regular earmuffs if you don't have batteries in them, and it would be helpful if I actually had them on the right way. The volume is on the left ear. Now, there are microphones on the front here, and there's a left microphone and a right microphone, so you actually hear stereo. They're perfect for people who have tendonitis because you need a little bit more protection, ear protection, so I find this to be perfect for myself. I do have slimmer, non-electronic earmuffs for the range, but these are absolutely incredible. They're made by Leight. And the other plus thing is that if you like to listen to music while you're shooting, which I find silly, it does come with 1/8" jack to go from your cell phone to this if you want to listen to music. I find this silly because I'm trying to focus 100% on my shooting and not worrying about listening to music while I'm shooting. I find that a little stupid, but the option is there if you wanted to do so. We're going to be using these today at the range. I'm going to be shooting my 357 Magnum. It's going to be a blast. We'll do some slow motion. And these, it's always good. I mean, there's also Walker. Walker makes a pretty good headset. They're slim. But remember, the slim versions are 22 or 21 NRR, just so you know. So the thicker ones will give you better ear protection, especially in close quarters. I know a lot of people, many of the range offices at Darkstorm Industries uses the slim, and they're perfectly fine with that. However, I need something a little bit beefier for myself. So anyway, guys, if you like this video and it deserves a thumbs up, please slam it, forward it, let everybody know about the Leight made by Honeywell. These things kick butt. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. Now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,